Hey legends, welcome to my channel. I'm Kat Abiganik and I'm here to help you grow your socials and close sales all the way to 5 figures a month. So this tutorial is going to show you where and how to pull hashtags for your Instagram and also how to save them in your phone so that you can access them super quickly and easily and post on the fly, making sure you've always got fresh hashtags. You don't have to store them all in your notes or leave them anywhere where you're not going to find them later. I will give you everything you need to get set up. So here we go. I'm just going to connect up my Instagram and we can get started. Yay. All right, we're in. So if you watch my last video, you'll actually know that I did a post when I did that. So in case anyone was interested in seeing the stats on it, you can see I had 70 views just from my hashtags. That probably isn't the most popular post I've had in a little while. I did that one as well live on that YouTube video, and you can see it's had 607 hashtag visitors. And the good thing about being able to post a lot and consistently and all that sort of stuff is when you're posting your original content, if you're using a lot of hashtags, you start ranking on the actual hashtags. How cool. So you can see that out of the 6,000 people that this reached, 3,000 of them were from hashtags, which was super, super awesome. And it's an original quote that I've written, and it means that I can use hashtags in all kinds of content. It helps my algorithm. This one, 7,740 views from hashtags. That is just incredible. And it's because my hashtags work for me. So there's no point going to my account, taking my hashtags and trying to rank on them. Guys, it does not work like that. You actually need to pull your own, and you've got to take the time to build them. You have to build your hashtags. So let me show you how you can go and find a super awesome post and take it and add your own hashtags to it. So when you're repurposing content, you kind of want to make sure as well that you are crediting whoever created the content. Obviously, if you can't tell who created the content, I mean, you don't have to credit. Like, ideas are universal, right? That would, hey, look at me ranking on that hashtag. Ideas are universal. If it's super common, just share the quote. And if somebody asks you to credit it, bloody credit it. Oh my gosh, I love her posts. How come she's always showing up in these? Maybe it's her hashtags. There you go. Let me see what else I can find, because I actually just want to find one I really like. Let's have a look. Ooh, I like that one. As you get older, you really just want to be surrounded by good people. I like that. Now, this is a content curation post, right? So if you tap on there, you can see that they just kind of collect other people's quotes, and that's super cool. I really like that because it's my birthday next week. And that's what I'm going to write. It's my birthday in a week. You don't need to get super philosophical or anything. Just something little and then tell them to follow you, right? Turn that off. All right. So I've shared my new quote, super exciting. Now, how do I get my hashtags on the quote? Well, I leave them in comments. My fast key code for it is IG1, and then I post my hashtag set. So that's one of my hashtag sets. For my hashtags that I rank on, obviously, you need, like I mentioned, you need to pull your own. You can't magically start ranking on someone else's hashtags because you're not them. That would be weird. It doesn't make sense. And you're not going to rank on them because I've been using the same ones very consistently, rotating about 8 sets for about a year. So that's why I rank on them. You will rank far faster if you go out of your way to pull your own sets. So how do you do that? You use this incredible app called Flick. It's so great. I'm dropping an affiliate link in the chat down below so that you can get a free trial. You can see that I've done it for newborn photographers, even my son, even my 7-year-old son who has Down syndrome. If I post a photo of him, I use hashtags to make sure other parents with little boys and girls with Down syndrome can see it and come and say hey. My friend Luis Alvarado, I've done them for him. all kinds. So say I want to use these money hashtags, select all and copy. That's pretty much it. But say I want to start using them regularly. I jump over to here, I go to general, I pop into keyboard and I hit text replacement, right? Now I'm going to hit new. Let's check how many I'm rotating at the moment on I, and you can see that I have 4. So I'm going to add a 5th set. So in phrase, I'm going to drop my hashtags and then I'm going to type IG5, and that's my hashtag set. So say I wanted to do a new post with that. Let's go over here and write like money babe. I don't know, something like that. They're all going to come up with, here we go. What's happening in your life is a direct result of what's happening in your mind. True. So I like that quote. Mindset is everything. Do you agree? Follow. Karabianic. That's me. I don't want to share it on Facebook, and I'm going to hit share. So now I'm going to pop over here and I'm going to use my brand new hashtag set. Yeah, I'll like my own post. Why not? It's bloody splendid. IG5, boom, done. Would you look at that? Now let's go back and have a look at that post about my birthday. Oh, I've already got 3 likes. How cool is that? Love it. Anyway, that is the super speeded version of how you use Flick to get your own very own unique hashtags. And stay tuned for more tutorials, because I'm going to explain exactly how to find your niche, how to figure out who your dream Instagram human is that you can attract in. And yeah, lots more to come. See you guys on the next video, and make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. I would love to hit 1,000 subscribers really quickly, and I'm halfway there. So if everyone that watched this subscribed, I would be at 1,000 by tomorrow. How good's that? I'll see you guys on the next video.